Have you ever wondered what the future of water transportation looks like? Imagine gliding just above the water's surface or speeding silently across the ocean in an eco-friendly vessel. Today, we're diving into the world of water vehicles with our top 10 crazy innovations that will leave you amazed. These futuristic vessels combine cutting-edge technology with sleek design to offer unprecedented experiences on the water. From revolutionary hydrofoils to luxurious yachts, get ready to be blown away by these incredible watercraft. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 10. Airfish Wing and Ground Craft. Ever dreamed of gliding just above the water? The Airfish Wing and Ground Wig craft makes this possible by using aerodynamic forces to fly above the water surface. It boasts speeds 3 times faster than traditional vessels, ideal for coastal travel, luxury trips, and military applications. Designed to operate over shallow waters, it reduces reliance on deep water ports, enhancing accessibility and convenience. Moreover, its high fuel efficiency minimizes operational costs and environmental impact, offering a sustainable alternative for maritime transport. Whether you crave speed or eco-friendliness, the Airfish Wig craft combines innovation with practicality, redefining the future of water travel. Number 9. eDorado's full-electric hydrofoil powerboat. Imagine a powerboat that glides silently above the water, leaving no environmental footprint. The eDorado 8S prototype achieves this with its 100% electric hydrofoil technology, lifting the boat above water to reduce drag and increase speed. It's not just about performance, it's about sustainability, appealing to eco-conscious boaters and adventurers. The sleek design and advanced control systems ensure a luxurious and efficient boating experience. Whether exploring tranquil lakes or cruising coastal waters, the eDorado 8S offers a guilt-free journey with style. It sets a new standard for electric watercraft, combining innovation with environmental responsibility for a brighter, cleaner future on the water. Number 8. Seacat Columbia Diverse Marine CTV. The Seacat Columbia, a Bartech 30 vessel by Diverse Marine, pioneers low-emission technology for offshore wind farms. Featuring a Swath Pro A multi-hull design and Bar Technologies foil-optimized stability system, FOSS, it reduces emissions by 30% compared to traditional vessels. This innovative craft ensures optimal fuel efficiency, lowering operational costs while maintaining high-performance standards. Designed to navigate challenging offshore conditions, it supports eco-friendly transport of personnel and equipment to and from wind farms. The Seacat Columbia sets a new benchmark in green maritime solutions, demonstrating how advanced technology can enhance sustainability without compromising operational excellence. Number 7. Island Guardian High-Speed Landing Craft. The Island Guardian is a custom-built high-speed landing craft designed for managing the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park. Equipped for patrol operations, dive support, and island management, it boasts advanced navigation and communication systems. Its robust design ensures safe and efficient operations in the challenging marine environment of the World Heritage-listed site. With rapid response capabilities, it plays a crucial role in conservation efforts and emergency response. The Island Guardian exemplifies cutting-edge technology in marine conservation, providing essential support for safeguarding one of the world's most precious natural treasures. Number 6. Icon of the Seas Cruising. Embark on a voyage of luxury aboard the Icon of the Seas, where every moment is an unforgettable experience. This magnificent cruise ship offers a blend of opulence and adventure, from gourmet dining options to world-class entertainment. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, our guide covers all you need to know for a perfect journey. Explore the ship's lavish amenities, plan exciting shore excursions, and indulge in the finest onboard activities. With its commitment to luxury and comfort, the Icon of the Seas promises a journey that exceeds expectations, ensuring that every passenger enjoys the pinnacle of cruising excellence. Number 5. Kalila Palmer Johnson Yacht. Step aboard the Kalila, a 50-meter luxury yacht crafted by Palmer Johnson, where sophistication meets exhilaration on the open seas. With its striking design and state-of-the-art amenities, the Kalila offers an unparalleled yachting experience. From spacious living areas to a sun-drenched deck, every detail is meticulously designed for comfort and luxury. Whether cruising through azure waters or anchoring in secluded coves, the Kalila promises a journey of elegance and adventure. Equipped with advanced navigation and entertainment systems, it ensures a seamless voyage from port to paradise. The Kalila isn't just a yacht, it's a symbol of refined luxury and unparalleled craftsmanship. Whether hosting lavish gatherings or escaping to remote islands, indulge in the ultimate yachting experience aboard the Kalila. Number 4. Sea Bubbles. Experience the tranquility of gliding over water with Sea Bubbles, a revolutionary water vehicle that merges boat and aircraft technology. Designed for eco-friendly transport, Sea Bubbles operates silently and emits zero emissions, preserving the beauty of its surroundings. Its stable design ensures a smooth ride, ideal for leisurely tours and sightseeing. Powered by clean energy sources, it represents a sustainable approach to water transportation. Whether exploring urban rivers or coastal waters, Sea Bubbles offers a serene and stylish way to travel, combining futuristic design with environmental responsibility. Discover the future of water travel with Sea Bubbles, where innovation meets sustainability on every journey. Number 3. Flyway Electric Hydrofoil Jet Ski. Introducing the Flyway, the world's first hydrofoil stand-up jet ski that elevates water sports to new heights. This electric water scooter combines innovation with adrenaline-pumping thrills, offering a dynamic and eco-friendly way to explore the water. Equipped with a built-in Bluetooth speaker and easy disassembly for transport, the Flyway caters to families and thrill-seekers alike. Its hydrofoil technology lifts the scooter above water, minimizing drag and providing a smooth, exhilarating ride. The Flyway's electric motor ensures quiet operation and zero emissions, making it ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. Whether cruising across tranquil lakes or carving through ocean waves, the Flyway delivers an unparalleled experience in personal watercraft. Number 2. Takuma eTow Electric Tow Pod. Explore new horizons with the Takuma eTow, an electric tow pod that enhances water sports with effortless maneuverability and eco-friendly performance. Designed for versatility, the eTow provides smooth and consistent pull across various water conditions, from calm lakes to challenging swells. Its electric motor ensures a quiet ride and minimal environmental impact, perfect for environmentally conscious enthusiasts. Whether towing wakeboarders, exploring remote coastlines, or enjoying leisurely rides, the eTow offers unmatched freedom and control. Its portable design and easy handling make it a must-have accessory for water sports enthusiasts of all skill levels. Experience the next generation of water exploration with the Takuma eTow, where innovation meets adventure on every aquatic journey. Number 1. Cormoran Transformative Watercraft. Meet the Cormoran, a transformative watercraft that adapts to your every maritime need with its interchangeable hull configurations. Whether cruising as a monohull, catamaran, or trimaran, the Cormoran offers unparalleled versatility and performance on the water. Its sleek design and advanced propulsion system deliver speed, stability, and efficiency, making it a standout in luxury watercraft. Crafted from premium materials and customizable to personal preferences, the Cormoran ensures a luxurious and tailored boating experience. Whether exploring secluded bays, embarking on high-speed adventures, or relaxing in style, the Cormoran redefines luxury and innovation in maritime travel. Experience the ultimate in boating excellence with the Cormoran, where versatility meets sophistication on every voyage. From eco-friendly hydrofoils to luxurious yachts, these crazy water vehicles showcase the future of maritime innovation. Each vessel offers unique features and cutting-edge technology, promising unparalleled experiences on the water. Whether for adventure, luxury, or sustainability, these watercraft redefine what's possible on the open seas. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.